Alright, so if you have missed this grass airdrops, I have one another promising airdrop just exactly the same like the grass airdrop but with better investors. So I will talk about gradient network. So this network is building exactly on the same concept just like the grass, and I think this could also be good airdrop just like grass but maybe better than grass. But let's don't hope too much from this project, but this is just a simple extension that you have to install it and just leave it. You might get good airdrop. So this is the dashboard from the gradient, and you can see everything here, and we will discuss like full and everything in this video why this could be a great airdrop. So this is the dashboard, and you can see into the overview we have session 0 rewards. So I have installed the extension just now. You can see this is the extension and this is the reward. So, and this is today's reward, and what you have to do is you just need to register using my referral link. So this is the referral. Right now I have 0 referrals, and I will copy this link and I will paste this link into the description of this video. So you just need to use this link to sign up to install the extension, and you will get, so just read this, both parties get 20 points for every qualified referral. So you will get 20 points for signing up using my referral link. So this is my referral code. You can also use this. Let's talk about why this is seems very promising to me. It has exactly the same concept, and this is the website, and it is backed by Multicoin Capital, Hongshan, and Pantera. I am personally very familiar with Pantera Capital, and let me show you what is Pantera Capital. So this is the Pantera Capital, which has tier 1 investment ranking, and they have ROI of at least 150x and total 208 investments, and the top investments are Alchemy. If you know about Alchemy, so Alchemy is a project which gives utility to all the Web3 developers such as RPC. So they give you a complete blockchain infrastructure. So this is one, but most important is if you go down, Arbitrum. So they have also invested into Arbitrum chain. They invested 120 million into the Arbitrum Mina protocol. There are Starknet also there, 0x protocol. So multiple good investment from the Pantera. So if this project is not worth, then why they have invested into the gradient? So I think if Pantera is invested into this, then I think this is one of the good projects that we should actually farm to get the airdrop. And this is the Twitter. You can see they have 326 followers K, so 226k followers. So I think this is what you should consider it for the airdrop if you have missed the grass airdrop. And if you are bullish on grass, then I think gradient could also do better, because the phase 2 of the bull cycle has almost started, and I believe gradient network will launch their token very soon into the January or February, and then we can expect a very healthy and good amount of airdrop. So just what you have to do is just click on the link that I have added into the description box of this video. Click on the link, sign up using my link, and then just use the extension and earn these reward points. So I will be sharing a lot of good content related to crypto and airdrop investment and everything into my YouTube channel. Just hit on the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel. So that's all about the gradient network. This could be a very promising airdrop. See you into the next video. Thank you.